Lunchtime is a highlight of my day. I have several options for lunch, and it's always a tough decision to make. I can bring my own lunch from home. This way, I have control over what I eat, and I can make healthy choices. I usually pack a sandwich with fresh vegetables, some fruit, and a bottle of water. It's a balanced meal that keeps me energized. Sometimes, I go out to eat with my colleagues. We have a few restaurants nearby. I like to try different dishes and explore new flavors. It's a fun way to break the routine. On busy days, I order delivery or get takeout. It's convenient, and I can enjoy a warm meal at my desk. I often go for salads or stir-fry dishes. They're quick and tasty. Lunchtime is also when I catch up with my coworkers. We chat, share stories, and sometimes even plan activities together. It's a nice way to bond with my colleagues. In the end, my lunchtime choices depend on the day and my mood. But one thing is for sure, I always look forward to that midday break.